Evan back here, coming back at you with another video. And guys, update on the giveaway. We're doing pretty good. We have 18 subs, and this is just a day later. 18 subscribers already. So today I'll be showing you the cars that are up for trade in my garage. So the Viper GTS is up for trade. My Cyclone up for trade. And I will be making that video today, even though I didn't get that 5 likes. Well, I will probably make it just right before I trade it. I won't be making it today, so yeah. If there are any offers, guys, remember to add me. My Sylvia, it's stock. I don't think any of you guys will want it. This car is for trade, but man needs something nice for it because it's got that flake paint. And this was from a really good friend of mine that I don't really see anymore, hang out with anymore. And this is my Honda Civic. It's 1640. This is also from a friend, but this one isn't worth as much. It's all blacked out and everything. This thing is good for some turf. It's good for, yeah. I think I won a couple pinkses with it. Then this car, I don't really know if I'm going to trade it or not. I'm not too sure, maybe. I can't drive MW1 coupes. This thing, I cannot drive it. I'm so bad at driving it. And I don't think any of you guys will want this, because this is stock. Just got the special paint, special wrap, so it's worth a little bit. Then this is my Honda my Honda S2000 CR. I forgot where I got this. I think maybe I bought it off of somebody. Maybe I won it in pinks. I forgot. I think I may have bought it off somebody. We gotta lower it though. It looks really ugly right now. Here, let's go lower it. Okay, then we must need bigger rims, lol. No, kitty, off. Okay, so, what size does this guy have on? I don't know, just a minute, let me see what's going on here. Okay, yeah. Just talking to some fans today. I think everybody that's in the giveaway so far has already added me. So, either way, yeah. I don't think any of you guys want these. These aren't very rare anymore. Well, I don't think they were ever rare. 1615. I think it's stock. My Gallardo is not for trade. Sorry, guys. I would definitely take some things for this. Something for this, but it's stock, so you guys, most of my cars are stock, because I'd like to just use some. This thing is for trade. It's worth a little bit. I can, if you want it, but you want me to tune it to 1640 first, I will do that for you. So, it's got those great brooms. Then this Mercedes is stock. When Mercedes Turf comes around again, I'll be upgrading that. That is for trade, so if you do want it. You guys probably won't want any, you probably won't want my Acura. Probably won't want this. I'm not good at running these Cobras either. Sorry guys, Stella not for trade. My Lotus is for trade, even though it's stock. Everything in my garage is stock, I just realized. My 3OZ is for trade, but it's stock. I can tune the stock ones to like 1630 if you guys want me to. If you want the trade, maybe 1620, it depends what the rating is. And then GTR is not for trade. Pontiac Firebird, I'm not too sure yet if I'm going to trade this just yet. I just got it yesterday, and I don't think I am. So, yeah. And just gotta go find a thumbnail. Here, which one would be like, I think, no, not that. My M4 would be a good thumbnail. There we go. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day and see ya. Yeah.